feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get.
Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to share this very glossy dewy makeup look which I have created for the Valentine's Day, and I have kept the eyes really soft and pink with soft pink lips and mainly concentrated on the base and kept it really glowy, dewy, fresh, which you can definitely pull off with a number of your outfits and it will be looking gorgeous, guys. You can definitely change the lip color according to your liking. So I hope you're gonna definitely love it. Make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So I have already prepped my skin today using one of my favorite moisturizers, and it's the Neutroderm moisturizer, which is having a vitamin E in it, and this is having more like a soft matte finish. It doesn't provide a lot of greasiness to the skin and it's very hydrating. For the eyebrows today I'm using WEARBLE Paris, a 3D sculpt eyebrow kit, which is basically a kit having 3 shades of eyebrow powders. I'm using the middle shade from the kit, and with the applicator it comes with, I'm going to outline my brows at the same time fill it in. So you can see it's a powder product with which you can just draw and groom your eyebrows within a minute, guys, because of how pigmented the product is. So with several strokes you can fill it in, and you can see this is how I basically do my eyebrows. You can overline your eyebrow and make it look even more bold, but this is how actually I prefer. So I'm doing the same thing on my left eyebrow, just outlining it and fill it in. Now I'm going to take a spoolie and well distribute the product on all over my brows. And in this step, you can surely use your eyebrow gel to set your eyebrows, because eyebrow gel helps in making your brows look really bushy and nice. Now it's time to prime my skin, for which I am using the Mars Glow O'Clock Primer. So this is the primer which currently I am loving because of how glossy and how glowy this primer is. So you can see I'm just applying it on all over my face. I apply my primer on all over my face, guys. This is how I generally apply my primer. So I'm applying it on my forehead, on my face, on my cheeks, everywhere, and you can see the amount of glow it provides. At the same time, this is having a lot of tackiness which helps in sticking my foundation really well, and this glow actually stays on your face throughout the entire day, guys. That's the reason my foundation is looking really glowy and dewy. So whenever you want a dewy base, you just need a very nice hydrating glowy dewy primer underneath your foundation. For the foundation today I'm using one of my favorite foundations actually. It's the Milani Concealer and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer in the shade 07 Sand. So you guys know that 06 Sand Beige is my staple shade which I use, and that's my complete skin color, but I thought of trying out another shade which is called Sand, which turned out to be having a peach undertone which doesn't look good on my skin. It actually is clashing with the undertone of my skin, but I make it work on my skin by blending it really well, and this is the foundation which you guys definitely need to check out. I'm going to surely go back to the shade 06 Sand Beige because that is having a wonderful kind of golden undertone, but it is having full coverage. It looks so beautiful on the skin. For the concealer today I'm using 2 concealers, and since I have used a full coverage foundation today, I'm using a kind of medium coverage concealer. So I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So at first I am using the shade 40 Caramel. So this is having a yellow undertone, as you can see. So this is going to just cut down those ashiness underneath my eyes, at the same time going to conceal the dark spots and pigmentation that I have on my face, because this shade is very close to my skin tone and it's having yellow undertone. And this concealer is having medium coverage, but it looks very healthy and nice on the skin, guys. You can see it has also got a very nice glow, which is perfect for creating any kind of dewy glowy makeup look. Now I'm going to highlight the under eyes using a concealer which is lighter than my skin tone. I'm using the shade 36 Golden. So this particular shade is having neutral undertone and it's more on the lighter side, so it's going to highlight the areas of my face where I want to add a lot of light. So you can see I'm blending this out, and the coverage is medium. It looks good, and the combination of the shade 40 and 36 is really good, guys. You can surely give this one a shot if you belong to NC 40, 41 skin tone, even 42 skin tone. Now I'm going to only set my under eyes where I have applied the concealer. So I'm not going to set my overall face because I'm going to create a dewy glossy makeup look. So I just want my base to look really glowy. So using a powder brush, I'm going to loosely set my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, or my mouth. Now I'm going to use a liquid blush today. This is basically a baby tint by Makeup Revolution, which currently I'm obsessing over because of how gorgeous this looks on the skin. It's in the shade Coral, and you can see the applicator it comes with. It is having such a nice fat paddle shaped applicator, and it gives such a nice glow on the skin, guys. It is the perfect dewy glossy blush which you can definitely try out on an everyday basis to add that flush of color on your cheeks. At the same time, it makes your skin super glossy, and I am currently in love with this particular blush, guys. You can see, so you can surely use it on your bare face on an everyday basis, and it will be adding that beautiful brightness and make your face look really brightened and awakened. Now it's time to move on to the eyes, for which I'm using this very affordable option. This one is by Mars Cosmetics. It's her I Belong to Your Purse eyeshadow palette in the shade Soft Glam, and I'm going to mix this light mauve shade with this light orange shade, and both are matte shades which I'm going to use as my transition colors. I'm going to use it in my crease and slowly blend it really well. The shades are very pigmented, soft, and this is such a beautiful palette, guys. Now I'm going to use these two shades, mix these two shades and apply it in the outer corner of my eyes. So this will help in creating more of depth in the outer corner of my eyes. I just want a soft look, so I'm not using any dark brown shade, more using like rusty brown shades in my outer corners. Now I'm going to use this beautiful kind of foiled baby pink shade from the palette, which has got lots of shimmers in it. I'm going to use it just on all over my eyelid, and you can see how pigmented this shade is, at the same time so easy to apply with the help of your fingertips. Now I'm going to use this champagne color and apply it in the outer portion of my lid in order to create an ombre effect on my eyelid. Now taking that previous fluffy blending brush, I'm going to just blend out my crease one more time so that there is no harsh lines. Taking a black kajal, I'm going to tightline my upper waterline. This one is by Swiss Beauty. I'm not going to apply this on my lower waterline because I will be applying a nude eye pencil on my lower waterline. This kajal is a bomb, guys. You guys definitely need to check this one out. For my lower waterline, as usual, I'm using PAC Long Lasting Kohl in the shade Skin, and for my lower lash line, I'm using this mauve shade from the palette and applying it very close to my lashes on my lash line, as you can see, followed by that light orange shade from the palette, which I'm going to use just beneath that mauve shade which I have applied on my lower lash line. So this will help in blending out that previous mauve shade and will make everything look really put together, at the same time similar to my upper eyelid. I'm not going to use any shimmery shade on my lower lash line. For the eyeliner today, I'm using this Akiro Beauty waterproof pen eyeliner, which is one of my favorite products, and you can make out this is a complete one stroke eyeliner, so pigmented, and it just helps in creating that crispy perfect winged eyeliner, which you guys definitely need to create on the day of Valentine's Day because you want that perfect winged eyeliner, and this will be helping you to do so, and it is having more of a shiny soft matte finish. For the mascara today, I'm using Zayn and Maiza Blink It mascara, which is a very good option for the beginners out there because it helps in separating your lashes. This is the mascara which you can definitely use on an everyday basis, and it's not that stubborn mascara because it's very easy to remove this. At the same time, it helps in defining your lashes, so it's an affordable option that you can definitely check out. I'm applying it on my upper lashes, lower lashes, and you can see how gorgeous my lashes are looking. Now I'm going to apply a pair of falsies, and this is how my eye look turned out, and I'm really happy with the finished look of the eyes. For the bronzer today, I'm using Sugar Contour de Force mini bronzer in the shade Taupe Topper because my face is super chubby and I just need to add some dimension to my skin, my face, by adding some warmth to my face, for which I need a contouring product. So I'm applying it under my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my jawline to make my face look really structured, defined, and this shade goes really well on Indian skin tones. It's a perfect kind of grayish, a cool tone brown color, which helps in creating that natural looking shadows, which you can definitely try out. Contouring my nose a little bit to make it look even more sharper, and I love contouring my face, guys, and you can see this is how it turned out. For the blush, I'm using Contour de Force mini blush in the shade Salmon Superstar by Sugar. So since I have applied a cream blush already, I'm going to just set that cream blush using this powder blush, but not going to apply a lot of this because I want that dewiness and the glossiness of that previous baby tint by Makeup Revolution, which I have already applied. Applying it on the apples of my face and taking it towards my earlobes, and you can see how beautiful this blush also is. For the highlighter today, I'm using a cream highlighter. This one is by Daughter Earth. It's her Glow Goddess Illuminator, which is her collaboration with Coralista, or Ankita's collaboration with Daughter Earth, and this is one of my favorite products because this is such a great skin like highlighter. It is just going to give you that glow from within kind of finish. You can wear it during the daytime and it will not accentuate your dry patches, your texture of the skin, and it just looks so beautiful. Since I want that glossy dewy look which at the same time looks natural, this is the highlighter that I have applied and I'm completely in love with it. You can see, you can simply use your fingertips to blend this on your skin. I'm applying it on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on my nose, and on my cupid's bow, on my chin, and I am in love with this highlighter. You guys definitely need to check this one out. For the lipstick today, I am using this House of Makeup lipstick in the shade Top Notch Rosy, which is basically a beautiful kind of muted rose shade, which is perfect for fair to medium skin tones, and for British skin tones you can try out more of a deep dusty rose shade. But this is such a pigmented soft pink color which will be definitely working with your pink outfits, with your white outfits, and it will be just giving you that beautiful feminine look which you guys will be definitely loving. So you can see the pigmentation, it is having a kind of creamy matte finish. It transfers a lot, but I love this kind of hydrating lipsticks on my lips because it's so comfortable to wear. You can see it paired up really well with the eye look which I have created today. Now to fix in everything, I'm using Swiss Beauty's makeup setting spray, and this is also a makeup setting spray which adds a lot of tackiness to your skin, that thus makes your makeup look really glowy and dewy.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit.
So this is the finished look, guys. This is my take on this year's Valentine's Day look which I have created for you. Created this glossy dewy base makeup with soft pink eyes and lips. I hope you really like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We'll see you soon. Happy Valentine's Day.